Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a simple bindi roast recipe which you can enjoy with rice or with roti. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. So I have washed and rinsed the bindi. This is half kg tender bindi. Bindi is also known as vendekka in Malayalam. So once the bindi is washed and rinsed thoroughly, I'm just pat drying it with a clean cotton kitchen napkin. So this will prevent the sliminess of the bindi. You can also keep the bindi on a strainer for some time and then pat dry it with the cotton napkin. So just dry the bindi really well. So once the bindi is dried, I'm just slicing off the top and bottom, and then gather 3 to 4 bindi in your hand and slice it. So this is the size of the bindi which I prefer. So I have sliced the bindi. I'm using a handful of shallots and about 3 to 4 green chilies. Green chilies you can increase or decrease to suit your taste. I'm slicing the green chili halfway through. Shallots I'm thinly slicing. Now the reason why I prefer to use shallots in my recipes is because they are a good source of iron and folate. However, if you don't have shallots at hand, you can use half of an onion instead. Another thing is shallots are also rich in antioxidants. So a lot of you are confused about shallots. They're also known as pearl onions or button onions. Heat a cast iron pan with about 1 to 2 tablespoons of wood pressed coconut oil. And once the oil is heated, reduce the flame to the lowest and add in the sliced shallots and green chilies. Give it a stir. Add in some fresh curry leaves. Give it all a stir and lightly saute on low flame until the shallot starts to turn transparent or light pink in color. And once the shallots are transparent, add in the bindi. Add in pink Himalayan salt as needed. Give it a stir. I'm adding in a pinch of turmeric powder and just give it a stir. And on low flame you need to saute and cook the bindis. You're actually sauteing and lightly roasting the bindis, and do not cover it with the lid. It should take about 15 minutes to get this roasted on low flame. After about 10 minutes, this is how it looks. The bindi has started to roast. So just spread out the bindi on the pan so that all the sides are roasted well. If you have iron deficiency anemia, do try to cook at least one of your meal in a cast iron cookware. Cast iron helps in better iron absorption. I've already shared a couple of videos on how to maintain and season cast iron cookwares. Please do check them out. Cast iron cookware also has better heat retention. And another 5 minutes later, the bindi is nicely roasted. So once roasted, turn off the flame and cover it with the lid. And you can serve after about 5 to 10 minutes. After about 5 minutes, I'm going to serve the bindi. So guys, do try this recipe and let me know in the comments whether you like to see more bindi recipes. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.